Hey guys, Rhett here. What's going on? At my client Ryan and Meg's first Section 8 rental property. They've never been here. They've never seen it in person. Bought it completely sight unseen using my team, and I'm so thrilled for them. Guys, they bought this house for $85,000. It needs $12,000 in work. We closed on it yesterday. We're gonna walk through it and just talk a little bit about what it needs and what's good about it and why it'll make a great Section 8 rental. Now, this is going to bring in about $1,200 a month, so I'm fired up for Ryan and Meg. Come on in and we'll walk you through it. So guys, immediately we walk right in, and of course we're going to do all new light fixtures. Place is nasty. We got to clean it. We got to do a lot of electrical work in here. We're going to paint a lot of it. It's just it's beat up, and sometimes what happens is when you have homes like this that have been lived in for a long time, they're just beat up, and you got to come in and turn the units, which is a term that we use to get them ready for the next tenant. It's called a turnover. So this unit needs to be completely turned over. Now structurally there's nothing wrong, no big ticket items here. It's a lot of small cosmetic things that are going to go into getting this unit ready for the next tenants. Now I love this. You walk right in. We have a nice big open living room here. We follow this doorway into the kitchen. Now, as you guys know, we're gonna fix all these cabinets because this will fail Section 8 inspection. We have a big ugly refrigerator here that we're gonna get rid of. It's nasty. I'm not even gonna open it. You guys know how I feel about that, right? But it's a good sized kitchen. So it's a good sized kitchen. I thought that someone was just leaving those open, but they're not. That's their natural state. So we'll go stove right here, refrigerator right here. We'll clean this up. You have your washer dryer hookups right here. You have an old beat up GFI, but it looks like it works. You get a GFI here, a GFI there. So looks like from an electric standpoint in the kitchen, we're okay. There are some that need to be changed in the majority of the rest of the house though, that are actually ungrounded. They're 3 prongs, but they're ungrounded, so we gotta change them. So back into the living room, we come into the main hallway. Off of this main hallway, we have bedroom number 1. Now, bedroom number 1 doesn't have a closet. So no place here for a closet, therefore not a legal bedroom. So what we're gonna do is we'll build out a closet in here, somewhere that it makes the most amount of sense. And we'll have bedroom number 1. Bedroom number 1, nice because you're connected to the kitchen as well, and you're connected to the hallway. So we'll build a closet in here. Of course, guys, it's nasty in here. We got to clean it up. New doorknobs and take care of all that good stuff. Bathroom is in pretty good shape. We'll replace a bunch of the light bulbs, do a deep clean in there, put a new toilet in, and get this bathroom ready for the next tenant. Nice little bathroom right here off the hallway. We got our closet right here, a linen closet. Janky door, we'll change that out. And then you have bedroom number 2. Bedroom number 2 has no closet doors, so we'll install closet doors right here. Guys, part of this too is when you do a closet, you need to have hardware. So we'll have the closet doors and we'll have to install hardware in here. So you're gonna need a clothes rack, so a rack or a bar that goes across that you can hang clothes up on as well. So really nice. Of course, we'll get rid of all these nasty beat up shades because they don't look good at all. One of my biggest pet peeves is coming into units like this and seeing cardboard taped to the shades. That's a classic, okay? We see that all the time, all right? So moving on from bedroom 2, guys, into bedroom number 3. Bedroom number 3, a little bit smaller. We have a good sized closet in here though. And then of course, throughout the entire house, we've got woodwork and trim work that needs to be done. Things like that need to be done. None of the outlets in this bedroom are actually grounded, yet they're all 3-prong. So we're gonna change all those out. A little bit of a smaller bedroom, but it's nice. And of course, off the back of the house here, we have our nice big package HVAC unit. It's a very expensive unit off the back of this house. But the nice thing is that it has a really nice custom cage on it too. That's high quality. So we're in a we're in real good shape with that. Always find it funny when we have leaves and all this junk in the house. Someone just left the windows open. We have an old-fashioned lock right here in the windows. This is basically what you put in when you don't have a window lock. So no window lock there. What someone's done is they've effectively bolted a screw into this window so it's inoperable. So you actually can't move it up because you hit the screw. But then what they've also done is they've taken this and used this, and basically this acts as a window jamb. So if you were to try to open this window, you hit this hole and it jams itself. It doesn't let you open it. So, but nice neighbors, guys, next door on both sides. And just a bunch of small stuff like that, a bunch of cosmetic stuff. And overall, I'm thrilled. I'm thrilled for Megan and Ryan here. I really think that this unit, when it comes to easiness and building a proof of concept, that's what this is. You have a property that you're into for under $100,000. It's going to rent for about $1,200 a month in a great area. We're going to have a very high value on this home after we're done with it, even though we're only doing a little bit from a cosmetic standpoint, just because of the area, because of the neighborhood, because of the work that's being done around us. So I'm thrilled. I think when it comes to creating a first unit of a Section 8 portfolio, a property like this that might be a little smaller square feet, it's a little bit less of an undertaking, can be perfect for some investors. So I absolutely love this. I'm fired up for Ryan and Meg. Guys, if you want to do exactly what Ryan and Meg have done, they live up in Boston. So being able to invest 1,400 miles away, never seeing the property, and being able to onboard it successfully, it's crazy. But if you have the right people and the right teams, you can do it very, very efficiently. If you want to get started, send me an email in the description below. As always, leave your questions, comments, and we'll see you next time.